This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and again, this is the S&P 500 or the ETF for the S&P 500, the SPY. We're tracking it from week to week as a proxy for the overall U.S. stock market. And last Thursday we were here, and I noted that we had closed back below. On Wednesday, we closed back below this 20-period moving average, the black line here. At the same time, we had the RSI pointed out had closed below its moving average. And on Thursday, when we did the video here, I noted that we had broken the low from Wednesday. On Thursday, we had broken Wednesday's low, and I said that's typically a sign we're going to see further downside. And so leaning towards the downside there, we got a nice move back into the demand zone that I had drawn. Again, that was back from this last move where these buyers took out whatever sellers were here. And we rallied just back to the moving average. Again, that is the resistance to the upside here now. Now, the tariff situation that came out yesterday on the 2nd. And obviously, we were expecting a big move one way or the other for the markets, probably to the downside. And that's what we got. We woke up this morning, or if you were watching overnight, same thing with gold, S&P, so stocks, gold, all down this morning in a big way. But we came right back down to the support, okay, which is at the bottom of this kind of demand zone here where these wicks are. So price came down here. All right, it rallied, tested again, and then took off here. So that's where the kind of support is for today. Below that, there is a gap to fill back here, and this goes back from August. So over the summer of 2024, there's a gap to fill. That would be the next target on the downside. Now, usually when these initial moves or these initial reactions to news happen, it's kind of overdone. And so we may see a bit of a rally, but we are not oversold on the RSI yet, right? So we could certainly see some further downside. If we did fill this gap back here, that would put the RSI probably in an oversold position, and that might be an opportunity to look to be a buyer in there at that point. But we'll see. Economic data set for next week. Wednesday, we've got the FOMC minutes. That'll be at 2 o'clock Eastern time. Thursday's Consumer Price Index, all right, big inflationary report. And Friday, we'll follow up with the PPI, or Producer Price Index, and Michigan Consumer Sentiment. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.